everyone and welcome back. I'm April May Walton and today we're painting this cat and pumpkin Halloween rock. So stay tuned. So as you can see, I've already started off with my design drawn on my rock. I got the idea for this off of Pinterest. And so you can see what I'm going to draw. I'm going to go ahead and paint my rock black and redo the design. Just makes it easier for me than to try to paint around the design. And this is a rock that I made with a mold that I got off of Amazon. So it makes just a perfectly round rock, and you use cement to fill it. I prefer to paint on a bigger rock, but for this design, this rock was perfect. Plus they come out super smooth when you put them in a mold. So now you get to see, I don't know where I went there for a minute, but now you get to see how I draw out the design. It's pretty simple design to draw out. Kind of indicating some hairs here. In the shape of the eye, or the iris. Pupil, I guess that's the pupil. And now my pumpkins. I'm using a General's charcoal white pencil, so it'll show up on the black. Plus you can wash these off with water. You can wash the pencil marks off. Now I'm indicating some leaves that I'm going to have go across the bottom. My palette's dirty from a rock I was painting earlier. So I'm going to start with the eye, and I'm using some purple and white and just a small round, I'm not even sure what size that one is. Let's see, it is a, if I can see what this says, it's a number 3 round by looks like Fine Touch, which would be the Hobby Lobby brand. I'm just going over with a lighter purple. This is going to be the highlight in the eye. And this rock took me about 45 minutes to paint, so I have it sped up about 4 times the normal speed. And this part is blue, the eye is purple, and my camera does not show these colors up well at all. And I've tried multiple different cameras. I've got, I think, 4 of them here in the studio, and none of them will show up the blue and purple correctly. So I don't know what I'm going to need to do to get that fixed, but just know that the cat is blue and everything. Blue is a really good highlight against black, as opposed to using like a gray. Gray will make the animal look old, but if you use a blue, it'll make it look shiny. So that's why I went with blue here. See, what's weird is the colors on my palette look accurate, but if I take that camera and put it over my painting area, the lights must wash it out or something and make it all look kind of blue, because I've swapped those cameras around. But anyway, so now we're on to the pumpkins, and the pumpkins are purple. Then we're doing the leaves, and I'm using a yellow green as opposed to a blue green. So this is a warm, what they'd call a warmer tone green. And a green with yellow in it always looks better for any kind of foliage. So now we're kind of highlighting our pumpkin. And none of this is supposed to look realistic or anything. It's supposed to kind of look sketched out. And you're supposed to see the paint, your paint strokes on there. Brush strokes. Now I'm cleaning up the eye area and lining it in black. I'll also end up, I believe I line the pumpkins as well. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to outline everything. I did this rock a little while back, so I don't remember exactly what I did, but I'm pretty sure. I've already hidden this rock and everything, so it's already gone. I do not know if it's been found yet or not. I hit a rock yesterday. We had a flat tire, so we had to go over to the tire store. And as we were going in, we were going down some stairs to go into the main door. And I set a rock down as I was walking down the stairs. I set one down on the railing. And when we went out with the sales guy, when we went out to the car to get the tire, the rock was still sitting there. So when we were going back in, the sales guy says, "Look at this rock." And he picks it up and he takes it inside. And then he had the tire with him as well, and he took it in through the back door, and we went in through the front door. And when he came back up to meet us, he said, "Hey, on the back of that rock, it had instructions on what to do." So he said, "I have one of the girls that works there." He said he had her taking pictures of it and was going to follow the directions. But he was telling me all about it, not knowing that I was the one that put the rock there. So that was kind of exciting. I never get to see anybody actually get the rock and get excited about it. So that was kind of fun for me to experience. And he'll probably never know that I was the one who actually painted that rock and hid it there. I guess not really hiding it there. They're hidden in plain view. So now I'm going over the pumpkins. At the top, I used a lighter purple, and at the bottom, we're shading it a darker purple. And it's kind of just a back and forth until you get it the way you want it. You'll see that I kind of went over some of the white with the darker purple to darken it all up a little bit, but still it's lighter at the top. It's hard, it's so hard to see because I think my lighting is washing out the colors. I'm just gonna have to figure something out. I'm hoping by next year we will build a new house and my studio will be inside my house. Right now it's on the other side of our property, and I'm in like a shed. I don't have water here, but I have electricity, and we have a lot of animals, so it gets me kind of away from all the noise. But I would like to be in the house. But right now we have been tiny homing it, if you know what that is. Our house is about 400 square feet, and but I'm over it, and I would rather have a big house. So next year we're hoping to build a big house where I can have my studio inside, and hopefully I can get my lighting situation straightened out. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a try. You can find this, like I said, you can find this design over on Pinterest, I believe. It's really easy to sketch out and draw. You can use whatever colors you wanted. You could do the pumpkins in yellow or orange. It's really easy and it's fun. And When I posted this picture on Facebook, it got a lot of comments. Everybody loved it. So hopefully whoever finds the rock will love it too. And if you give it a shot, I would love to see your interpretation of this. You can join. I have a private Facebook group. The link is down below. It's called Rockin' It with April May. That's over on Facebook. It's a brand new group, so you can kind of get in early. There's not very many people over there. I'd love to have you join and show us your rocks, and you can ask any questions that you may have, or if you have any requests for me to paint something, I would love to do that for you as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know of anybody else who would be interested in seeing it, please share the video and help me grow my channel. I would love to be able to reach out to more people. So thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video.